Hey there, welcome to Take2. Today I'm going to talk a bit about how you can get more recruiters in LinkedIn. So first thing that you should do to attract more recruiters is optimize and set up your profile. Optimize it. So that is the main basic thing that you can do, right? Change the outdated experiences or works, articles, all that stuff. Just change it, put new ones. Posts main is you need to do some projects consistently and in unique way. I mean, there's little less idea to how to do a certain type of thing, but you need to do it originally. It should have some original values to it, right? And be consistent with it. Join some groups and maintain your network. Just participate in some discussions and, well, learn their policy and abide by it. That's it. Let's say you are in need of a writing career, let's say. So, what you need to do is build up your projects based for writing career. You want to get a job for writing, and you have a coding session projects that might not help you. So that's it. That's how you get the attention of more recruiters in LinkedIn. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.